I cut a branch from Mr. Wang's house. And then I cut off the leaves and I want to plant grapes. I can't believe it died 10 days later. That summer when eating grapes. I thought I'd try growing grapes from seeds. Wash the grape seeds wrapped in a tissue. Spray some water. And put it in a sealed plastic bag to stimulate germination. I can't believe almost a year has passed. In May of this year, I opened the paper towel. If only a grape seed sprouted, I planted it in a pot. The grapes left in the bag. It is also planted. Then water them and wait for them to grow. 5 days later, from the soil up to 6 years small germination rate is quite high. The 8th day after planting, the little trees have stood. To purple leaves grow symmetrically shaped heart, and there's purple needles growing. To the 15th day, the saplings in the pot have serrated leaves. I noticed a tree that looked a little different. It's purple all over. The tree is growing more and more. Watching the green foliage makes me happy. By the 60th day, the little vines had risen higher. The leaves of this purple vine are very large. The trees next to it also grow for leaves. Then the plants in the pot grow thicker and thicker. By day 75, the tree was about 10 centimeters tall. I lifted up the leaves and saw that the branches were a little pink. Looks pretty healthy, about the size of a toothpick. And in the middle of that, I've added water droppings to the pot. I looked back a few days ago and panicked. It turns out that last time I had too much shit. It's a bad thing, but fortunately, it's not serious. I saw the vine growing new shoots. Looks like it's time to split the pot. I picked out the biggest vine to separate. The tree's roots are still very lush. I always plant it in a bigger pot. Add more soil to cover the roots. The old leaves didn't work, so I cut them all off. Finally watered so drenched. I hope the tree grows fast. Young shoots at the base of this petiole. It will soon grow new branches. I'll move the rest of the plants to their own parts. Let them continue to grow. Remember first video 05 last I lued vine. But 7 failed. In May of this year, I tried to more vines. Let me show you the results. After 10 days, the branches grew new shoots. Then it's growing very quickly. On the 30th day, I pulled out the weeds. Look at the green grape leaves. It seems that the branches have taken root successfully. Then the tree continues to thrive. By the 92nd day, the tree had fallen. The first time I succeeded. I feel very happy. I'm going to move the part to the tree today. Lift up the part and see that the roots have grown at the bottom. I picked a plant and planted it in a bigger part. Then water it very well. I hope the tree will grow well. I will plant the extra tree for you. I don't know between seed crops and leeches. Which tree will bear fruit first? Waiting for the grapes to grow. I'll update it for you to see.